Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on the Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you easiest way to view PDF and Word documents side by side. So guys, let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here you can see this is my PDF file. Okay, and let me open that Microsoft Word document. Okay, we have two file here. So how can do this? How can do to make it view side by side? Okay, so what you need to do, just open any file like any like PDF or Word documents. So I just open Word documents, and here in this icon, just keep the cursor on this icon, then this option will be visible. This is a tab. Okay, you can make the 2 tab view, 3 tab view, 4 tab view. Okay, so I want PDF and Word side by side, means I want 2 tab. So I just select this 2 tab. Okay, you can see this is my Word file, this is my PDF file. Okay, if PDF file not minimize, so then you can go here in PDF and just click on this blank space, then it will be open side by side, and you can easily read both same time or edit the both file at the same time. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.